Hey ho guys, it's me again. Hope you all had a good weekend. Going to do another little quick beer review. Tonight, the one I'm going to review is that other brew that I picked up in Aldi from Kona Brewing. If you remember, I did the Longboard Island Lager, which was pretty good, but a very basic Euro lager basically. This one is, sorry, there's lots of condensation on it. Big Wave Golden Ale from Kona Brewing again. 4.4% ABV. It's a 355ml bottle. I'm assuming it's kind of an odd amount for over here, but you know, being Hawaiian, it would originally be in ounces, so I'm assuming that's the 12-ounce bottle or something like that. Yeah, Kona Brewing Hawaii, imported by, Jesus, could they make this right any smaller? Kona Brewing Company, Kona, Hawaii, USA. There's not really any more information on it. Contains barley. And that's about it. So we'll crack it open. It's just out of the fridge. It's more hoppage on the nose than this. It's something kind of citrusy or fruity. Maybe something like a Citra or an Amarillo, maybe. That's what it smells like. We're going for a pour. There you go, guys. A lot of chill haze in this one. Amber ale, it's to be honest with you, it's not too far off in colour from the Island Lager. It's more, well actually, what does it say? Yeah, it says golden ale, so I suppose it is really. It reminds me very much of the colour of Hobgoblin Gold. Top beer too. Head is dissipating very quickly, as you see. That could be down to the glass. Isn't the cleanest, so we're going for smell. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of that stone fruit aroma, not as pungent as maybe what I was expecting, but very nice, very like an Amarillo or a Citra. Yeah, quite nice actually. Decent enough carbonation. Going for the taste, sláinte. Oh, that's nice. Mango. Oh my god, is that mango? I could be wrong, the hops guys mightn't be Citra and Amarillo at all. That's playing the mango on my taste buds. Holy cow, wasn't expecting that. It kind of came out of nowhere. Oh my god, that's lovely. Very light, very crisp, very clean, very smooth, medium bodied. I know there's no head in it now, guys, but that's my fault for not cleaning the glass properly. More carbonated than it looks, but spot on for a golden ale. Getting slight citrus and stone fruit aromas on the nose from the bottle and from the glass. But the minute I started drinking it, it's a mouthful of mango is the best way I can describe it. A mouthful of mango, comparatively speaking, for golden ale. I mean, obviously there's things like New England IPAs and more heavy duty IPAs that would have a lot more mango punch with certain hops. But for a golden ale, which you don't expect to be very overwhelming hop wise, this is a gorgeous beer. slight grassiness, piney or grassiness up front, but definitely it's all mango and tropical fruit flavors after that. That's a lovely, lovely beer, guys. So there you go, Kona Brewing, Big Wave Golden Ale. Perfect summer beer. I highly recommend it. There's definitely, as I said, dominant citra, stone fruit aromas on the nose out of the bottle and the glass. Dominant tropical fruit flavors of it, especially mango. So, as I said, a mouthful of mango. Now, they're not going to overpower you, but you definitely know they're there, and it makes for a gorgeous, gorgeous, definitely what I would call a summer golden ale. What would I give it out of 10? That's an easy 7 out of 10, guys. 4.4% from Kona Brewing, Big Wave Golden Ale. Check it out. It's long before.